The green beans on the trellis are catching on and climbing pretty well. Got a pretty good stand of everything. The lettuce mix is doing well. I didn't plant that real thick because I wasn't sure about it, so I just kind of put some along as I went. But the green beans on the trellis are doing well. They'll cover all the way over the top of it before that's all said and done. Zucchini's coming right along. Looking good. The white lady turnips are doing pretty good on the inside of the cucumber arch. I will tell you that the cucumbers for some reason did not come up, which is weird. I've never had cucumbers not come up. So we are redoing the cucumbers. And this bed is the 3 rows of yellow squash and the English peas that really had a rough start. They really didn't do very good in the beginning. But the yellow squash are looking really pretty. They're growing really well. And you can see that the English peas are just hanging with peas. They're doing really well. I'll get a little closer. Just look at all those peas. These are little marbles. These are peas, English peas that you shell. They're not like the sugar snaps that you eat the whole thing. And this is Gideon, and he should not be in this bed. But he's still a puppy, so we have issues there. Not going to yell at him on camera. Looking good. I don't know if you remember about us planting zipper peas out in the garden. Well, they were old peas because I couldn't find any fresh peas. And they were old peas from a year that had very low germination rate. So I've planted something else, a different kind of pea, and you can see that they are breaking the ground now. Anybody need any pineapple sage? I have an abundance of it. It takes over. The lemon balm is doing really good too. It'll be a couple of feet high before it's all said and done. Spearmint beginning to come back up. This is a 4x8 bed, and it's run all over it. Spearmint and the lemon balm and some honey make a really good lemon balmade.